Hi there, Ronaldo here from Enlightened Super Trade Education, where we provide coaching, market updates, and trading opportunities that will give you passive income. Today, I'm going to discuss in regards to COTP, or what we call crypto over-the-counter platform system. And what it does is simply it's a trading platform based from an algorithm base. The bot will find the highest price point, and the difference you basically make a profit. It's what we call an arbitrage trading system using a cryptocurrency that is pegged with the US dollar, which is USDT, using the Tron network. So if you're going to see my screen here, I'm going to explain to you what basically it looks like. So this is what the platform looks like. Notice that there is a balance right there in my wallet, $1,023 with a total asset in terms of the total funds right there is 57,303. It actually already traded it because it actually did it automatically, and that's how you'll be able to gain a passive income from automation. One of the guys who are very, very smart created a script, and this is what the script basically looks like. After 7,700 seconds, it will actually do it automatically. And there's a remaining dollars right there that it didn't click through within the time frame. So what it is simply, it's a triangular arbitrage system. When you fund your account, which is you have a minimum of $9. So if you can afford $9 US dollars, then this is for you. If you want to make money consistently, then this is for you. If you don't want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies or trading in general because you don't have the time nor the money, nor mainly you've got a lot of stuff going on, family, then this is actually also for you. Other than that, if you're skeptical, do your homework, do your due diligence, and simply it will give you more confidence within the platform, then great. Other than that, mind you though, I am not a financial advisor and I'm not here to give you any form of advice. I'm just giving you an opportunity that you could potentially take, that if you want it, then if it works for you, then excellent. Other than that, if you don't feel like it or you choose not to, then that's basically on you as well. It's a personal choice. So once again, I'm not here to give you any formal advice. This video is for educational purposes only, giving you the opportunity of a platform that could potentially make you an income. Especially in the trading world, if you're a trader, you know the challenge and you know that it is actually really difficult to make money consistently trading the markets, especially if you're a novice or you're intermediate and advanced, because it takes a lot from a psychological point of view to be a really good trader. So, but if you want consistency and you want the markets or basically an Autobot to do it basically for you to find a potential trade that will give you the highest profit, then this platform will be basically for you. It's an amazing platform. It's one of the best things that I actually ever seen in my 26 years of actually trading. So how does it work? Well, notice here, there's some money there on the wallet, and it's going to be transacted across into the transaction area where it's going to be held there for 2 hours. After 2 hours, it's going to be released, and we're going back to the wallet balance after that's been done or after the transaction has been created for you, and then the income will be added into your total asset. Okay, so watch this. If I would click immediate competition for orders, it will search for the high priced orders for you, where COTP has access to 3,000 exchanges across the network. Once you're basically in the blockchain, if you need to know more about cryptocurrencies and blockchains, there is also a link below that you can actually watch about blockchain. It's a 2-hour tutorial about blockchains. So here it found through a region somewhere in Africa. The certified supplier is One United, where the market price 773, transaction price 778. Out of that 1,000 earlier, 1,400 will be used. Click sell. And then it's currently saying in transaction. Once the transaction has been confirmed, there's a profit right there of $4.21. So you might be wondering, like, well, it's only $4 here, $10 there, 2 cents here, 1 cent there, but they all do add up. If you haven't seen a high algorithm type of frequency trading, institutions actually use this type of a system where they will make 1 cent here, 2 cents there, but just imagine the amount of volume that they do on a day-to-day basis, and that's how they can make millions and millions of basically of dollars through there. So out of that, there's 791. I will click that again. I'm going to keep on clicking until the wallet balance goes down below $5, and it's going to be transferred across in the transaction area right there. So out of 791, 467 will be used. Click sell, and it's saying here the profit's $1.40. Click confirm. 348 remaining. I'm going to keep on clicking this until it becomes below $5. Out of 348, 240 under crypto guide. So that is basically the highest price that it basically found from the computer itself. There's a 72-cent profit in there. Click confirm. And there's $108 remaining. I'm going to click that again. So this is the manual part, by the way. This is the manual part that every 2 hours, you have to do this manually to trade it. Here, 30-cent profit. And there's still $5 in there. So out of that $5, it will be utilized to be sold for $3 right there. Click sell. Somewhere in Taiwan, IM Exchange. That's the service provider or supplier. And there's a 0.009 profit right there. Click confirm. Now, if I'm going to do it and it's below $2, it won't let me because the balance is now lower than $5. So it will fail to basically find a trade. So it's going to sit in the transaction area right there for 2 hours. And then after 2 hours, it is going to go back to the wallet and redo it again. So you see here, basically on the bottom, from here, these are all the timestamp of the amount of transactions, the price, the profit right there. But if I'm going to refresh this button, you'll actually see it a bit more clear from the last one. So $3 right there, 9.009 cent, $103 to 40, and this is the profit basically it got produced. So if you look at the timestamp 207, this thing 115, I did that manually. But here with the biggest one, that's the starting price stamp. This is actually done automatically using a script. So someone basically created a program to do it automatically. So we'd have to do it every 2 hours. So basically the script will actually do it. So when you're going to register, make sure to email us at estraders@gmail.com, notifying myself that you have registered, and then from there, I'm going to give you the script to automate your trading. So you don't have to do it every 2 hours, you have to do it manually. So it has to be done though via computer or via VPS or virtual server right there. All right, so if I click in terms of the time, you'll see to make it easier, because these are all manually based on what I've done here. 2356, 2258. So this is where it actually started, 2356. And then started at 207. So that's approximately 2 hours and 15 minutes through there between the difference. And so the one you saw earlier is a pass, because it goes in basically cycles. So if you didn't reach the cycle itself, it will remain in the wallet. And I'm not willing to wait for another 2 hours. So what I do is I will trade it automatically as well in order to gain the profit. So based from an income statistics point of view, on a day-to-day basis, basically I make more than $1,000 basically a day. 1,700 basically for it was done yesterday. May the 5th, May the 4th, 1,600 right there. May the 3rd, 413, 1183, and so forth. So because it's compounding, so the higher it gets, the better, the more profits you're going to make as well. So if you don't know about COTP, then you're missing out. In my opinion, it is an amazing platform. It's very simple. There's really nothing to really think or to learn. The bot will actually do it for you. It's an arbitrage system. So in my opinion, the risk is almost zero, since it is a USDT that doesn't fluctuate, not like say Bitcoin or Ethereum or Dogecoin. So USDT is pegged with the US dollar. And since it is not regulated in terms of the price, and there's different exchanges will give different price points, so the platform or the algorithm will find the highest price in order to sell what you have to a buyer out there that will offer you at a better price. The difference is basically you're going to make, that's how you make the profit. So since it is very tight in terms of the amount of spread between this between you or me, the seller, and the buyer, and the different exchanges, and then this is why it's like 9 cents, 30 cents here, 72 cents, but they do all add up when you really think about it. So on average, COTP produces all the way up to 3.6%. So if you're doing it this manually, there's 12 different cycles every 2 hours if you're there. Other than that, since it's automated, it's a cycle of 11 cycles basically in one day. And that approximately around 3.3, 3.4. However, let's say today I managed to do almost 3.5% out of 50, where I did the rest like manually. That's why if you can see an amount of orders, where I did 200. Yesterday I only did 136. So depending on my workload and what basically I do, then I will do manual trading as well. But other than that, the automated script will always be there and doing it for myself. Okay, so yeah, when you register, make sure to email me at esdetraders@gmail.com, and I'm going to I can detect it anyway, whether if you register or not. And then if you registered, I'm going to give you the script. We're going to automate it for you. All right, so that is COTP, what we call crypto over-the-counter trading platform. And if you need to know more about COTP, once you've registered, everything is in here: customer support, help center, download center, about us, and then the official website if you want to know more basically on what basically they do from a algorithm point of view. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at esdetraders@gmail.com. The link to register is actually below, and also join our Telegram support group. If you have any questions, feel free. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe as well to receive more opportunities that we think is good based on our own personal due diligence. But of course, I would recommend as well to do your own due diligence. Don't just believe in terms of what I say. Get in it. If you like it, great. If you don't like it, then you can basically stop or leave as you please. All right, guys, subscribe. Take care. Till next time. Happy investing. Bye now.